Hey everybody, how you doing? You know, I've been looking and looking all over town, and I can't find the missing sandwich. The missing sandwich has been missing probably since early 1990s. Back in the 70s, 60s, 50s, 80s, early 90s. Every restaurant and diner you went to had this sandwich. But now, it's nowhere to be found. It's not on the menus anymore. It's the Monti Cristo, a delicious sandwich that if you've never had, you need to try. And if you have had it, you've been longing to have it again. So we're doing it next year on Buzz Cooks. So stick around. All right, everybody, let's get started on the Monte Cristo. We've got thick sliced white bread, and I'm going to gently cut the crust off all the pieces because we don't want any crunchy edges. So once we get all those done, we've got some mayonnaise we're going to spread on our bread on each side. Help hold it together. And as far as our ingredients, American cheese, Swiss cheese, Black Forest ham or whatever ham you have, and some turkey. And I kind of squared them off the best I could because the one thing you don't want is any overhang as you build the sandwich. So we'll get the mayonnaise spread. And we're going to go with the slice of Swiss, slice of turkey, slice of ham, and American cheese. Then we're going to slide the other piece on top, mayonnaise down, square it up nice, and then I'm going to use my burger press. Or you can use your hands, but you want to press it down gently. This way, when you're cooking it, it stays together, it holds tight. So we'll flip it over, press it down on the other side. All right, so we have pressed on the other side. That's good to go. So what we're going to do now is take our bowl. I've got 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks in the bowl. I'm going to add a little bit of half and half. And we're just going to whisk this up real good. We want it to incorporate together real good. You'll see it turn yellow. That's what we want. And this is what we're going to dip our sandwich in before we start to fry it. So I've got my frying pan out. I've got some clarified butter inside the pan, medium heat. I'm going to dip it in the egg yolk, drain off any excess, and we're just going to gently set that right into the clarified butter and let that cook up. This is going to take about 3 to 4 minutes until it starts to get nice and brown on the bottom. Then we'll gently flip it over, just like that, and we'll go another 3 or 4 minutes, and then set it on a plate while we do the other sandwich. Now, once we have both sandwiches done, we've got our oven preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to put both sandwiches on a cookie rack. And we're going to pop these in the oven at 375 for 15 minutes. And while I'm doing that, if you could please like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends and family all about us. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment if you can, and hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. So we're going to serve this with a little ramekin of maple syrup. So we might as well fill that up now while we're waiting for our sandwiches to warm up in the oven. And here we go. They're done. So we'll let them rest for a few minutes. And then we're going to put them on the cutting board. We're going to cut them in half. And once they're cut in half, we'll plate them on the plate. And the last thing you're going to do is top them off with a little powdered sugar and serve it with that ramekin of maple syrup. And you have the amazing Monti Cristo sandwich. Your friends and family are going to love this one. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.